they continue that vein of form. That's sliding a bit leg side. No, the umpire stood still and just raised that finger. The angle from delivery. He was getting some movement back across the batsman. Was it going too far? That's what the umpire's thinking about. Up it goes. Down to third man. This might be taken. It is taken. That's a wonderful, wonderful catch. And the captain's happy with that.
Mohamed Shoaib, who is backing up his fellow opening bowler. Watch this. So good. Eyes are level. Just have a look at this again. We've seen some drop catches and some misfields. No wonder this got Viv off his seat.
Sliced away, just in front of square, and that's screened for a boundary. They need that.
And the blade is open, and he wants to slice it away.
Played 8 T20 internationals for Belgium. Big shot. He's showing it. It'll go to the boundary. Yes, it does.
A bit of width. He definitely took advantage of that. Gave him the opportunity to free the arms.
Coming over the wicket. There's going to be a couple here. It's a good stop. Oh, it's gone. Benkenstein just raises his hand with apology.
Yeah, he got himself there. He had a long way to run to get there. He's done everything right, except he allowed the ball to go through his hands. And went quickly. Oh, that's short. There's a fielder on the boundary. He's not going to get it.
Yeah, that was a half-tracker. Had to be hit. Had to be put away. And Burhan Niaz is a strong man. And he's put everything behind that. That cleared the boundary by a good... Again, same result. In fact, this is even bigger.
Yeah, that Osaka tonic board, Sikandar, might be getting a bit interesting. This is a good hit. Kept his eye on the ball, very still. Clears long on with ease. Now, good finish.
Well, he goes straight. And once again, he goes long enough. Forget ones and twos. Do it in sixes.
And it was quite a short delivery.
Yes, keep going. Yeah, now he's in.
Brilliant, even better this time. It was full. Great swing. Great swing of the bat.
Oh, that could be close, you know. That could be close, yeah, I thought so.
Seamer was brought in. Aftab Ahmed tried to use the crease right in front of the stumps. Missed it completely. He wanted to work it on the square. Hit it straight in front of the wickets. Wicket of the first. Good shot there.
Yeah, it's clever.
Yeah, the fine fielder was in. Good thinking there. They need boundaries. 7 of the 5 deliveries.
Oh, brilliant. Yorker, I think he drags it on. Full delivery. He's just dragged back onto his stumps. But it's the length that does him. Yeah, delight. Bowled. It's brilliant now from the Sharks.
And because of the dew, it's skidding a little bit. Abbas Ali, he went onto the back foot, the ball skidded.
Oh, that's a good slower ball as well.
It was a slower delivery. He waited till the end. He kept himself low and he reached with a very low head position. That was the key, that he was able to connect it.
Powered back down for a boundary.
Mardan Warriors You see Daud Nazar coming, number 7, Archie Lenham. We saw he was pretty good.
Oh, this is close as well. Given, yeah, thought so. Pitch is in line. Slightly straightens, hit the back leg, going on to cannon into leg stump. Good decision on field. Good piece of bowling again from Masood. Yeah, very good. Oh, wicket again. Mohamed Irfan.
Excellent bowling again by Saad Masood. That googly back of the hand, it skids. There is dew, it's skidding, and the moment you go onto the back foot, this will be the result. This time Mohamed Irfan.
Which is on Tuesday. Bowled him. They lost another one.
He gets his 4th. Lenham here just looking to get on with things. It's the googly. Bit of purchase off the pitch. Snuck through into that inside.
Oh, there might be another one too. There is another one.
Gives him 5 in the game. First one to get 5 in the Pakistan Junior League. And that takes him to the top of the leaderboard for the most wickets in the competition.